welcome back to Ayesha's Curious HQ. So today we're going to learn why do we stop growing. It's because of an endocrine system of glands. These glands are responsible for our growth. We continue to grow slightly, but only until we reach the age of 25. We reach our maximum height until the age of 35 or 40. After that, we shrink half an inch every 10 years. How? It's because the cartilage in the joints dries up. Older people do not grow, so they become inactive.